We do a multitude of events. We have a great space for it. We're a little over 3,000 square feet, 3,800. Weekly events that we do, we have Tabletop Tuesday. We have this huge vault in the back that's full of tabletop and board games. We do that every week, the second and fourth week Tuesday of the month. Atlantis Games, they're actually a local game and comic shop in Norfolk and Portsmouth. They send a rep out. We also do trivia on Sundays.
We also are looking to do more weekly events, particularly on Thursdays.
We're dabbling between maybe a karaoke night, maybe a bingo night. On a monthly scale, we do, it's called Mouthfeel. It's a storytelling series that we do. It's the second Wednesday of each month. And it's a storytelling open mic, so people get to come out and either hear some really cool stories, or if they want to jump up on the mic and tell some really cool stories.
We also do a monthly event of the test batch for anybody who wants to come learn how to make beer. And we do it with the local homebrew societies, so anybody can come in. It's free to participate. We teach you the basics. We also try to do a quarterly beer competition with homebrewers, where any homebrewer can come in, and then our members can come in and they all taste the beers that the homebrewers have made, and they basically get to vote for which brewers will get to make a beer with us. Currently we have 3 on tap, and we have 12 more in line to come over the next few months. We also do an Artist of the Month, where we try to promote a local artist, and what we do for that is we ask them to put some materials on our walls, and they can sell them if they wish as well. And then we have a night where people get to come out and actually meet the artist and listen to music and basically have a little party to celebrate art and work